4792. Alan?
Lot 198, the 1960 Buick Electra 225 convertible, the original deuce and a quarter Boulevard cruiser with all the chrome work and interior detail. These are by no means cheap to restore. Certainly the cost of this car's very meticulous restoration easily exceeds the catalog estimate you see before you. The 1960 Buick Electra.
Telephones are coming through in the Buick Electra. Let's open the bidding here. What do we say? $40,000 to start with? 40,000. Everybody bid of 40,000. Thank you, sir. 40,000 I have. 50 now anywhere in the room. 50,000 I have now. 60. Ladies bid. Very nice. 60,000. Suits you, man. At 60,000 on my right, actually right in front of me. At 60,000. Do I have 70 now? Absolutely. 70,000 right here in front of me at 70. Do I have 80 now? Do I have 80? You have to smile and bid at the same time. At $70,000, 80,000 behind you. Thank you. Ladies bid at $80,000. Do I have 90 anywhere now? We're at 90,000. I've got 80,000 bid. Do I have 90? The ladies bid at $80,000. If I have no further advance, I'm going to sell the car at 80. Thank you. 85. 90, sir. 90 in the room. Thank you. 90,000 seated on my right at 90,000, man. Do I have 95? 95, thank you, Barney. 95,000. Do I have 100,000 now? We're at 95,000. It's against you, gentlemen, and it's against you on the telephone. $100,000 I am bid on the telephone. We were at 95 already. We like to go forwards and not stand still. Are you in at 100? Boy's getting tired. He starts to make mistakes. Are you in at 100? No. Barney, you're still in at 95? 100 on my left. Thank you for confusing things, boy. $100,000 I'm bid on my left. Do I have 105? Do I have 105? 105. 110. I've taken the bid in standing in the back of the room at $110,000. I do apologize, but everyone's bidding at the same time. We all want an Electra. We can all get our chance at bidding. Do I have 120 now, gentlemen? 120. Thank you. 120,000 on my left. Where do I have 130 now, gentlemen? At 120,000, where's that charming young lady that was bidding before? Where have you gone? You're not bidding anymore. What's going on? At $120,000 then, it's going to my left for the first time. At 120,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third, 125. 125. 130 now. 130. At 125,000, back of the room, going for the first time. At 25, going for the second time, for the third and the last time, at $125,000. Sold your car. Well done. 275. 125,000. 275.